All right, let's take a quick look here at Azure Files. So Azure Files is a fully managed file share in the cloud, and a file share is a centralized server for storage that allows for multiple connections. It's like having one big shared drive that everyone, virtual machines can work on at the same time. So here's an example or a diagram of it. So to connect to the file share, you use a network protocol such as Server Message Block, SMB, or Network File System, NFS. When a connection is established, the files shares file system will be accessible in the specific directory within your own directory tree. This is known as mounting. So some use cases here: completely replace or supplement your on-premise file servers, NAS drives, a lift and shift of your on-prem storage to the cloud via classic lift or hybrid lift. Lift and shift means when you move workloads without re-architecting, so importing local VMs to the cloud. A classic lift would be where both the application and its data are moved to Azure. A hybrid lift is where the application data is moved to Azure Files and the application continues to run on-premise. We have simplified cloud deployment, so shared application settings, so multiple VMs and developer workstations need to access the same config files, or diagnostic share. We have all VMs logged to this file share. Developers can mount and debug all logs in a centralized place. We can dev, test, and debug, so quickly share tools for developers needed for local environments. We can do containerization, so you can have Azure Files to persist volumes for stateful containers. Super useful when you're working with containers. Why use Azure Files instead of setting up your own file share? Well, shared access, so already set up to work with the standard networking protocols. It's fully managed, so it's kept up to date with security patches designed to scale. It has scripting tools to automate the management and creation of files shared with Azure API and PowerShell, and it has resilience, so it's built to be durable and always working. So there you go.